So last week you got a little bit of an overview of graphing, what it is, how to do it using t-tables or pick and plug, and how to graph using intercepts, how to find intercepts. This week we're going to take a deeper look at slope and using slope to graph lines. And whether you're moving forward to calculus or you're moving forward to statistics, having an understanding of what slope represents and not just how to go about finding it is going to be important. So I would really encourage you to open up this section, make sure that you know this formula for calculating slope, and it shows up a lot of different places. It's going to go into your study guide, so make sure you know that and have it memorized. There's a lot of really good information within the slope section. And then you're going to start to look at how to write the equation of a line in different scenarios. You know, if you know 2 points on the line, if you know 1 point, if you need to find a line that's parallel or perpendicular to a different line. So all of that content is in the slope intercept form and the point slope form sections. Make sure you take a look at those. And you're going to spend some time with parallel versus perpendicular lines. A drawing is not enough. For you to determine whether two lines are parallel or perpendicular, you have to look at their slope, and you will need to know the relationship between the slopes of lines that are parallel and lines that are perpendicular for the test. So take the time to make sure that you understand all this stuff. This is the last bit of content before next week's test. So put some time into it this week and have it all done early so that you can start studying and getting ready for the test next week. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or come to office hours, and I'll answer them as best I can.